Hello, this is Victor at RestoreMercedes.com. This video is for Kevin in California. This is a non-ASR throttle actuator, and this is the one from a 6-cylinder, of course, and the condition overall is perfect. The wires were completely disintegrated, the insulation was flaking off, and the coil seems to be working. So it's been on the bench test for quite a long time. So that's good news, Kevin. And just to show you, I have it open right now. Just want to show you a couple of other things. So as you can see, it's like get to about 100 degrees. So these are the cold units, as you can see, 77, 76. So this one right here is at 90s. So this has been working for quite a little bit. Actually, it worked overnight, all night, and then today in the morning I came in. I had to do some work on it, connect it and such, and then put it back on the bench for another hour or so. So it has been working and it's basically ready to go. Now the micro switch over there, I hear it click. That's a good thing. I don't know if you can hear it, but that's really good, because micro switch is important for idle speed and stuff. The readings basically are quite limited on this unit, I would say. So what I can do is I can open it fully, and you're gonna see potentiometer R1 is going to change its value. This is your throttle position sensor, if you will, and then go back, and it goes backwards to about same value, close to the same value as R2. Now R2 is this potentiometer. You can't really move it around, for the reason is, as you can see, I moved the gears too much and it's sensitive enough to pick it up. So as you can see, the readings, once I altered them, it shuts off the unit. Okay, so this is what it is doing right now. This is supposed to keep your idle speed at the right position, but this is actually what I wanted to do. I wanted to show you the secondary reading. So as you can see, 437 on top on our R2. Once the coil gives up, once I get it into limp mode, I can actually move the lever on the secondary potentiometer. As you can see, potentiometer R2 also changes its value, because this is the plate position sensor. So for regular operation it's not really important, but for the idle speed and cruise control it is important. And also safety contact S1 is also off. So as you can see, when I go back, contact comes on and readings come up to about the same. So let's restart the unit. Power off, power back on. Now, again, if you're going to try to influence the unit from the inside, of course you're going to get it into limp mode. But in our case here, it is controlling your idle right now. As you can see, I'm trying to move it and it keeps idle proper. So this is what happens. The motor keeps the idle and the plate to be at the proper angle. So biggest thing here is the coil is good. The unit is really nice. The condition of the part itself is great. It's clean. Well, I cleaned it off, but it came relatively clean. Very little oxidation, really nice piece. So I'm really happy that this came out the way it came out. And this is some lubrication, that's some grease on it. But as you can see, everything is working. So basically, I'll put the cover back on and it's going to be ready to go. And I'm pretty much happy with the result. Alright, so I guess I'll wrap this up. And oh yeah, well, one more thing. If we would to look here, maybe, I don't know if it's important, see right around here, this is fuel safety shut off. That's important. It has to have voltage so you have proper fuel supply. So as you can see, the throttle plate opens and closes, and fuel safety shut off still shows about 9 volts. That's perfect. So that's important. And I guess that's all that what we need to see, really. That is We don't have transmission from CAN. Well, this is basically how it is. I mean, it's a working unit now, and it's quite it's extensively tested. I mean, I had it on the bench for a long time. It's really warm right now, and just to make sure the coil is okay. This is the coil. So the coil, I don't know, this is no good. So the coil like this sits deep inside behind gears. It's very difficult to get this coil out of this unit. So the coil works, it's great. And I guess that's it. I'll wrap this up and this unit will be ready to go. Alright, so this is all. This is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.